I'm Brandon with Nightscaping and the VP of Business Development here, and we're here at Cedia 2025 introducing the new Locklin series.
Before we get started, if you're into tech, hi-fi, or movies, be sure to push the subscribe button for new weekly videos.
The Locklin series is in tribute to Bill Locklin, who started the company in 1959. So we've been around for quite a long time, and this is the revival of our landscape lighting series. It's a modular base series, which we have 6 power base mounts, which you can see here on the screen. The power base mounts wire back to the transformer. The transformer powers these power bases through our technology, which is patent pending. It's gold pin plated technology, which powers through the power base to our knuckles. We have 2 different knuckle options. So we have an adjustable knuckle, which is very cool. We have a push button here, which you can adjust. And then we have a fixed knuckle. So we have patent pending technology for the Nightscaping Locklin series. And as you can see, these push down and compress onto our gold plate here. So the technology is the power passes through this system and powers up our light module. Super simple, no wires, no tools, everything just goes together. And then same thing goes with the knuckles. That goes to our power bases, so everything goes together, fully adjustable, makes it super nice. Another great feature of the Locklin series is we have our technology, which is pass-through power technology through the gold pins and plates. If you have a fixture that's in an overgrown landscape area, you simply have to remove it from the power base, snap it onto here, and it goes in wirelessly. So you don't have to run a wire, you don't have to cut a wire, it all just snaps together and goes together perfectly. Makes it super simple for the guys. Fixed knuckle is just for straight up and down illumination. The adjustable, obviously, for adjusting your luminosity going towards a fixture or whatever you're lighting up. After you get through your power bases, which we have 6 different ones, you have your Trident stake, your ABS power stake, we have a gutter mount, we have a surface mount, a tree mount, and then we also have a can mount power base. You go to your knuckles, like I said, and then we have the heart of the system, which is our LED module. The LED module is adjustable with a push button. So you press the button and you can go from 3 watt to 5 watt to 7 watt. And then you can also change the lensing options. So when you purchase one of our LED modules, you have a hex louver, 120 degree, which is not shown, it's just simply removing the lens. And then you also have a 60, 36 degree, 15 degree, and 7 degrees. So you can cover every application through this one LED module. You don't have to carry around a bunch of products in your van or in your inventory. This covers most of your applications. After you select your LED source, you can go over here to your shrouding options, which we have a directional shroud, we have a wash light shroud with a linear spread lens, we also have a tree light shroud, and then we have a can light shroud. All of these take care of about 80% of your landscape lighting needs. And a lot of the guys are loving the idea behind it because it's like Legos. It pops together and you don't have to have a ton of products in your van or in your inventory to satisfy a lot of your outdoor lighting needs. So this is it. We're excited to be here and hope to check us out on our website. Our website is at www.nightscapingusa.com. Thank you.